Welcome to Pasansoft text player. Please enter or paste the text on above box. "10 easy Christmas cookies for once-a-year bakers." Everyone goes cookie crazy at Christmas. Speaking personally but not complaining, I'm surrounded by with more icing detail than a painting, or that seemed more like realistic life. Welcome to Pasansoft text player. William Henry Gates I, born October 28, 1955, is an American business magnate, software developer, and philanthropist. He is best known as the co-founder of Microsoft Corporation. 2-3 During his career at Microsoft, Gates held the positions of Chairman, Chief Executive Officer, CEO, President, and Chief Software